Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air. Today we are going to look at a Carrier variable speed heat pump system that we actually moved to the attic and did all new ductwork. So as always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, leave them in the section below. Questions, I will be happy to answer those for you. If you're in the Orange County, California area, you can give us a call. I'll leave my contact information below if you'd like any information on this system or any of the upcoming new Carrier systems that have the new R454B Puron Advanced refrigerant. So let's get right into this system. Before we moved it to this attic up here, which you can see is actually a very nice space, plenty of room up here. They had a furnace in the garage, that was gas, and an AC condenser out back, and they wanted it moved out of the garage and up to the attic. So to accomplish that, we removed it from the garage. We had to run a dedicated circuit from the panel to the attic because this is a 220 volt fan coil. So there's our dedicated circuit right there with the switch, goes into the unit. The unit can go horizontal in the attic. So this is the Carrier variable speed fan coil, model 40MU-AAQ48XA3, and this will match with the outside 4-ton slimline variable speed heat pump condenser, the 38MU-RAQ48AA3, and I'll go outside and show you that as well. So we put a drain pan underneath it right there. We have a platform that I am sitting on, so you do have to have access in front of it to be able to get to the blower in here. There's a coil on this side, so that's where the refrigerant lines come into, and then outside the refrigerant lines connect to the heat pump condenser. We have our primary and our secondary drains right there. Obviously it's not gas, so there is no gas line and there is no flue vent, so it makes the infrastructure, when we have to redo it in the attic, a little easier. You don't have to do a roof penetration, and you don't have to relocate a gas line because it is all electric. The other thing that we did in this attic is all new ductwork. So we added a supply plenum here. So this is where the supply air goes out and goes into the rooms. It's a 4-ton system, so we have very big ductwork up here. So it's very quiet when the air comes out, and it's even throughout the house. On the back side here, this is the return plenum, and we have 2 ducts here that go to return grills in the ceiling in the hallway, and that is where the filters are located. I will take you downstairs and show you that. And this whole system is controlled by the Ecobee 6 Smart Premium Wi-Fi thermostat, and I will also show you that. So this system is very popular. We do a lot of them. In the future, we are going to have the same system in the R454B Puron Advanced refrigerant, and that's going to be very cool. I'll be starting some videos on those systems coming up within the next few weeks, so pay attention. You know, maybe hit the notification button on my channel. That way you'll be notified when I start releasing those videos. They're going to be very interesting. I'll go over all the specs and dimensions and efficiencies and performances of those systems as well. So let's jump out of this attic right now, and we'll go into the hallway and check out everything. Okay, before we get out of the attic, I just wanted to show you the platform we created here. There's our return plenum, our drain lines. You can kind of see around the attic all the ductwork that we did here. To get it up in the attic, we did have to make a larger attic access. So we did that here. We framed all this out, and that is a 30 by 30 access. We're going to go into the hallway here, and we have one return grill right there. And we go down the hallway, we have another return grill. When you move it to the attic, it makes it extremely quiet compared to what they had before, because it was in a garage and the returns were right off the side. So this is where your filters are. You can see them up there, right there. There's a clip there, they clip there. It just folds down and you can replace your filters. As we go over here, we're gonna see the Ecobee thermostat. This is what powers everything and controls your temperatures. Right now we are in heat mode. We're testing that. It's 68 degrees in the house. Heat mode is the flames right there on top. If you press that, it does drop it down so you can select cool, auto, or off. If you want to change the temperature, you just press the screen here and you can go up or down depending on what temperature you want. It also comes with a remote room sensor that is infrared, so you could place it in a room, and that way that will average the temperature in there and keep your house a little more even temperature throughout the day. So back to over here, we have one return up here. I showed you before, we have another return down here. This will even out the system in terms of airflow coming in, pull out more heat, and be a lot quieter. We're going to go outside now. I'm going to show you the heat pump condenser. Here we are right here. Beautiful unit, very popular. This is the Carrier Variable Speed Performance Series heat pump condenser slimline. The model is 38MURAQ48AA3, 4-ton size. This gets over 16 plus CO2 efficiency. Very, very quiet, 61 decibels on the fans. What's nice about this condenser is it can be just about 4 to 5 inches off the wall and back, and all you need in front of it is 24 inches. So it's very nice for side yards, backyards, where you gotta put it in a planter like this. You want it quiet so when you're out here you don't hear it. Like I said, it is variable speed, so there are different speeds it will hit, so it can be quieter or louder depending on what speed it's running at. Right now we are at high speed, so this is about as loud as it will be, which is 61 decibels. So let me know if you guys have any more questions about this system or any other system. Leave it in the comments section below. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. We are going to have a ton of more videos coming on the new R454B refrigerant systems. Carrier calls it the Puron Advanced systems. They are already currently on the market. We are doing installations of these units already, so I will get videos to you on those, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.